Coach, after four friendly match, how you see your state of your team?
I thought we made a lot of progress, but I think you also got to be critical. Obviously, this was not an opponent in our league, and especially in the first half. I thought we were very sloppy on the ball. We missed a lot of moments where we should take a positive touch or a touch forward when we could break lines. So I was not happy about a lot of things today. I thought the second half was a bit better. But besides that, then you still need to score 6 or 7 goals, maybe already in the first half. So I thought it was sloppy today.
Iya, tadi coach bilang bahwa di babak pertama dia bilang meskipun kita banyak cetak gol, dia pemain agak terlihat cukup banyak catatan dari coach Peter. Dia bilang bahwa apalagi musuhnya hari ini bukan tim yang satu liga dengan kita ya. Jadi meskipun kita cetak gol banyak hari ini, dia bilang ada banyak hal yang dia belum cukup puas, apalagi di babak pertama tadi, karena dia ngerasa pemain nggak cukup maksimal untuk performa babak pertama tadi.
Coach, is there any additional players you're referring here?
Well, I think I answered that question last time, that we still look if we can try and find an aid for foreigner number 8, because we're a little bit thin in our strike position. Yeah, I'll have a chat after the game with the management, how we are with it.
Ya, dia bilang saya pikir udah jawab di pertanyaan sebelumnya. Coach akan cari pemain asing ke-8, tapi kita akan bicara soal manajemen terkait kebutuhan yang akan dibutuhkan tim.
Untuk pemain-pemain asing yang saat ini sudah masuk, apakah sesuai ekspektasi atau bagaimana? Mungkin ada evaluasi.
Coach, our foreign player is already fit your expectation, or do you still think that you have to push more for the performance?
No, I still think that there is a lot of room for improvement. No exception actually. Kodai scores goals. A lot of people are happy with Kodai. I'm happy with the energy, but also him today very sloppy. And I can say that of all our foreigners, but I don't want to make a distinction between local players and foreigners. I mean, as a whole, as a team, I thought it was extremely sloppy today, and we need to do much better. This actually is a great test of your mental toughness. Against a lesser opponent, can you still keep the game simple? I don't think we did that well enough.
Ya, coach bilang sebetulnya kalau untuk ruang untuk improve masih ada di semua pemain ya, bukan cuman di pemain asing aja. Tadi dia bilang bahwa mungkin Kodai sempat bikin gol di beberapa pertandingan lalu dan semua pemain, semua fans merasa senang, coach juga merasa senang. Cuman hari ini dia tidak tampil sesuai dengan diharapkan. Jadi saya rasa banyak catatan untuk pemain, bukan cuma untuk pemain asing aja.
Coach, with the formats already, have you won all? So do you think it's satisfy you?
I don't look at the results, I look at our performances. I mean, if I look at the result, I would be happy today, right? But I'm not, because I think the only thing to measure progress is performance, not necessarily result, especially in pre-season. Yeah, we won 4 times, but don't win a pre-season cup with that, right?
Ya, kata coach, dia bilang dia nggak ngerasa puas berdasarkan hasil, tapi dia pengen lihat hasil performa ya, karena kalau lihat hasil harusnya dia ngerasa senang karena tadi menang besar. Dan dia bilang bahwa yang penting tuh nanti di pertandingan resmi, karena kan kalau pre-season kan nggak ada hadiahnya kan.
Is it the last pre-season for this time?
No, we play another game.
Okay. Yeah.
Right?
On Sunday.
We play. Can I say the opponent as well?
I'm gonna tell him that.
Okay. Yeah, because I'm not sure whether that's confirmed, and I don't want to be the one who's. But no, Sunday we still play a game, probably last game, or definitely last game before the end of the season, and that will be a League One club if possible.
Ya, dia bilang nanti akan dikabarkan secepatnya akan friendly terakhir kita melawan tim Liga 1. Last question.
Kalau melihat di bulan Agustus ada beberapa pertandingan yang melawan Persija dan kalau coach melihat apakah persaingan di liga nanti seperti apa dengan skuad Persisam?
Apa hubungannya sama yang awal tadi?
Sorry, kan ada 4 pertandingan yang akan dilakukan bulan Agustus. Ngelihat tim-tim lain persiapannya sudah cukup oke lah gitu. Dan bagaimana perbandingan dengan Persis Solo? Apakah siap untuk bersaing dan
Coach,
targetnya seperti apa?
You know, in August we're gonna have like tight schedule, and our opponent like Persija Bayangkara already doing very good in pre-season as well. Compared to our preparation, how you compare this? Is it we already on the same level, or do you think that we still have room for improvement?
I don't know, because I'm not going to compare us to other clubs. I look at our progress because what other people do is not in my control. So we focus on our team, our players, and what we need to do to get fitter, to get better, to make sure we're ready in the first competition game. Because then one starts to count.
Ya, dia bilang dia nggak ngelihat tim lain karena kalau tim lain kan di luar kontrol dia, jadi dia ngelihat apa yang bisa dia lihat di dalam tim kita. Cuman dia merasa bahwa kalau tim lain kita nggak akan fokus ke mereka, kita fokus ke diri kita sendiri. Oke, thank you.
Terima kasih sudah menonton. Silakan subscribe, like, dan jangan lupa komen di bawah ya Bola Spotter.